Hi everyone, welcome to my new trading session. Today I'm gonna share with you a super simple and effective strategy that can help you make money with trading. I'm not gonna use any indicators, just 1 minute Japanese candlesticks. We are starting with a $500 balance and 1 minute trades. Let's go! And I already see a signal, the price has reached a resistance level, so I'm opening a trade down. We caught the perfect entry point, this level has worked many times before. The price should either reverse or bounce off it for a bit, and either way we should be able to grab our profit here. The price is trying to break through the resistance level, but since we got a great entry point, we still take the profit and now we've got $960 in the pocket. Let's keep going. While I'm looking for the new currency pair, guys, click the link in the description and register on the platform. There's my promo code that gives you a $50 bonus on your deposit. Don't miss this opportunity. Also make sure to subscribe to my Telegram channel where I share my signals I trade with every day. Alright, I found the currency pair with a great entry point. I waited a bit for the price to reach the resistance level and start moving down. And that's exactly what happened. The price is dropping now. After a small pullback up, I'm opening a trade. I think this is the perfect entry. Let's see how it plays out. Whoa, that was close. Looks like the level was about to break, so we are getting out and taking our money. That's exactly what we needed. The balance is already at $1,800. Let's keep it going. A perfect setup on this currency pair. There's a strong resistance level that's been holding many times, and we've just seen a spinning top candle. That's a good sign of a trend reversal. The trade closes a bit uncertainly at the last moment, but I believe this currency pair hasn't reached its full potential yet. A strong downward move should happen soon, so I'm not going to miss the chance and we'll open another trade here. Oh yes guys, this is the movement I was expecting from the previous trade. Great result. On this currency pair we've got 2 profitable trades, 6,000 on a balance. Excellent trading session. Let's keep going and multiply the balance once more. Great signal on the cryptocurrency. I'm opening the trade right away before the price drops too much. It's just reached a strong resistance level with a huge impulsive candles. It should bounce down strongly now. Let's keep an eye on it. I love trades like this, guys. Hit like if you are with me. 11,000 on a balance. Perfect trading session. We made good money. Now we can relax. Join my Telegram. Links will be in the description. Thanks for watching and see you next time.